And Muscle Boss Maniac, the pistons pound, the lights are bright, a real mean machine! Road Rippers!
There's no time to discriminate, hate every other hater that's in your way! The beautiful people, the beautiful people, hey, the beautiful people, hey, hey.
Also, in case you guys are wondering, this thing did not work at all when I first got it. It had corrosion, and I knew that when I got it. And I opened it up, and I replaced the contacts, and some of the wiring, and well, boom. It's alive!
Time to race! Start your engines.
This is not a monster truck, so therefore it's not going to race against Shark Attack. Here are the names of the other Shark Attacks. These names will be used to distinguish them from each other. Shark Attack, the Great Blue version. Shark Attack, Scuba Bubble Dive version. Shark Attack, Coral Reef Surf version. Shark Attack, the Great Blue Modern version. And you all may be wondering, where is Razor Jaw? The thing with Razor Jaw is that Razor Jaw is actually just a reskin of Shark Attack, the Great Blue Modern version, and it's a different monster truck entity. And it happens in real life with monster trucks as well. Just look at some of the Monster Jam trucks. Many of those get reskins. You'd have to look it up yourself, but yeah. And you know what? That just gave me an idea. Speaking of which, I found this funny picture of like this one monster truck that looked the exact same as Shark Attack. Now I'm going to throw a picture up of that truck right now next to Shark Attack. Keep in mind that this monster truck was made years after Shark Attack. Same name and everything. That is just insane.
Every day we get closer to my motor island in real life. And when that day happens, I will find you. You can't catch what you can't see.
What the heck was... Okay then. Also, when you're saying the names of the other Shark Attacks, you don't have to say like version at the end. If you're talking about it like in a video, then yeah, you can. Otherwise, just say the name. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos, of course. Bye, you guys.
Can you move it like this?
I can shake it like